I don't know about you guys, but I've bought new fuel canisters because I didn't know how much was left in my other ones, and then I just end up with like an excess pile of fuel canisters. Hi everyone, my name is Amy Rout. I make hiking and backpacking videos because it is a lot of fun for me and I really want to help people. So please consider subscribing if you're interested in this content because it would really help my channel out. Today I'm going to share with you how many uses I've gotten out of this MSR IsoPro mini fuel canister. It's the one that says 3.9 ounces on it. Now, before you go and think that there is blank exact amount of times that you could use this, we all know that there are a lot of variable factors that can change exactly how many uses you can get out of this. Some of these factors include your altitude, the air temperature, or even what kind of stove you're using. However, I thought this video was still worth it because if you're anything like me, at some point you've had a bunch of extra fuel canisters without knowing if you've used them 5 times or 10 times or about how many uses they might have left. I feel like this can give a general idea of how long one of these will last you. So hopefully this information has some worth to somebody. So each time I use this, I made a tick mark. And when I say each time, that means for every 2 cups of water boiled, I have 24 tick marks. So that means I boiled 48 cups of water with this one fuel canister. And I also always only used my JetBoil. I was actually pretty surprised by that number. It was good to know how high of a number that is. I just think it's pretty interesting. So now when I bring that canister and I have 10 tick marks, I don't have to worry if I have enough for a 2-day trip. Again, that number won't be the same every single time because of multiple variables, but I do intend on continuing on my fuel tick mark experiment. I already have another fuel canister started, which I used for Bucks and Gulch. So I'm really excited to actually see what that ends up being, how many cups I end up boiling for that, and comparing them. And then I will, of course, want to let you guys know because I think it's super helpful information. Like, if you don't want to watch this, don't watch it, but I hope I'm helping somebody. I'm just hoping that this is useful information for somebody. It was super interesting to me to see how long one of these would last, so maybe it's interesting to one of you. Hopefully at least one person. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Wait, what is going on? Oh, okay, good. Thought it was not recording. Okay.